Hello and welcome to Macrolix frequently asked questions video. I'm your host and I'll be guiding you through the most common questions we receive about Macrolix Excel application. In this video, we'll be covering the top 3 frequently asked questions about Macrolix Excel application. These include how to buy a subscription, how to activate or reactivate a subscription, and how to enable macros. Let's get started and explore the answers to these frequently asked questions. I'll be guiding you through each step so you can easily follow along and find the solution you need. To buy a subscription and access Macrolix features, you'll need to create an account. If you already have an account, click on the login button and enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, click on the create account button and create a new account. For the demonstration purposes, I'll create an account from the scratch. The sign-up process is straightforward. You'll need to enter the fields required. I enter my name, email ID and password. Enter Kara as your referral code to get extra 30 days. And you have to solve the CAPTCHA instead of entering as it was. Click on I agree and click on create account. An OTP will be sent to your email ID. Upon entering the OTP, you will be logged into the website and your account creation will be complete here. As you can see, my current subscription status is inactive. To subscribe, here's what we'll do. First, click on the subscription tab. Next, we'll click on the subscribe now button. Following screen, you'll need to verify your chosen plan and confirm the number of computers you want to cover. Once that looks correct, you will just click pay now to complete the subscription. I just scan the QR code and I will pay. But if you want to use another payment method like net banking, credit card, etc., you may do so. With 120 rupees in my cash balance, I can see my subscription is still inactive. I'll proceed to activate it using the added funds. To activate your subscription, simply go to the subscription tab, click the subscribe now button, click the I agree box, finally click subscribe now again to complete the process. The activation process is quite straightforward. As you see, my subscription status is now turned into active. To download an application, navigate to the Excel Apps tab. From there, select the app you wish to download. For this tutorial, we'll be downloading the Easy Tally Legacy Classic application. Once the download is complete, you'll need to extract the zip file. Please use WinRAR or 7-zip for this, as the default Windows extractor might not work correctly for the password protected archives. Extract the zip to your desired location and the password is Macrolix. Password will also be in the description. You will find a macro enabling guide on the application's homepage. This is important because Microsoft's default security settings blocks all macros. To resolve this, simply follow the provided tutorial. To unblock the Excel utility, first close the application, then right click on the utilities file, go to properties, and select the Unblock checkbox. After applying these settings, simply reopen the Excel. You'll now see an orange ribbon prompting you to enable macros rather than the red one. Simply click on Enable to run the utility. After enabling macros, the application will display an initial message and then prompt you to activate your license. You have two ways to activate your license. Simply click Yes on the message box that appears. Alternatively, click Manage License located at the top of the application. After clicking, then enter your email ID and finally click Activate License. You can approve the PC linking in two ways. Either approve it from your dashboard or by clicking the link sent to your email ID. For this demonstration, I will approve it from dashboard. In the Excel utility, click Check Status to refresh and activate the license. My tool is now activated. Next, I'll show you how to reactivate it if you switch to a different PC. Reactivating the tool is similar to the initial activation, but you'll also need to unlink the previous PC from your account as part of the process. To unlink a PC, log into your account, click on the Subscription tab. Under the Manage Licenses, click the Unlink button. Now your account is ready to reactivate again. Now simply click Activate License, enter your email ID and then click Activate License again. You can approve the linking process either through the dashboard or by clicking the link sent to your email. After approving, just click Check Status and your license will be activated. You can then use the tool without any limit. If you run into any issues with activation or reactivation, you can contact the Macrolix team via Telegram and phone numbers provided in the application. If you find this video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.